Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize e-commerce sales with Shopify detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by defining your target audience clearly. Understanding your customers' needs is crucial for creating effective sales strategies. Next, choose a suitable Shopify theme that aligns with your brand. A visually appealing design enhances user experience and encourages purchases. After selecting a theme, customize it to reflect your brand identity. Incorporate your logo, brand colors, and typography to create a cohesive look. Optimize your product pages for maximum conversions. Use high-quality images to showcase your products effectively. Write compelling product descriptions that highlight key features and benefits. Ensure your product titles are clear and include relevant keywords for search optimization. Install essential apps from the Shopify App Store to enhance functionality. Consider apps for email marketing, abandoned cart recovery, and customer reviews. Set competitive pricing by analyzing competitor offerings and market trends. Implement discounts or promotions to attract new customers. Create an easy and efficient checkout process to minimize cart abandonment. Simplify forms and reduce the number of steps to complete a purchase. Utilize Shopify's built-in analytics to track sales performance. Regularly review metrics such as conversion rates and traffic sources. Optimize for mobile users, as many shoppers purchase via smartphones. Ensure your Shopify store is responsive and loads quickly on all devices. Integrate social proof elements, like customer reviews and testimonials. Showcasing positive feedback can build trust with potential buyers. Leverage social media to promote your products and engage with your audience. Share content that resonates with your customers, driving traffic to your store. Consider running targeted ads on platforms like Facebook and Instagram. Utilize retargeting ads to reach visitors who didn't complete a purchase. Regularly refresh your content and product offerings to keep your site dynamic. A well-maintained store encourages repeat visits from customers. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.